So as soon as you go onto it, you've got the 3 modes. You have manual, semi-automatic and fully automatic. Manual is just for dealing with the saw initially, semi-automatic is doing for one-off cuts, and fully automatic is for doing multiple cuts of the same thing and multiple cuts of different lengths. So to start in manual mode, you're going to turn your hydraulics on, and then you've got open 1 and open 2, which is the vices. Open 1 is the vice that shuttles, and vice 2 is just the vice by the material on the saw. Carriage backwards, carriage forwards, vice backwards, vice forwards. With that, obviously, it's just simply the vice and the carriage moving backwards and forwards. We want to, if we lift the boat up, then swivel that to 90 degrees. Semi-automatic is for doing one-off cuts. You just put in how many cuts you need. So we could do, say, 10. And then that is for just doing straight cutting. You're not able to do any motion on that at all. You change the blade speed for the material that you're doing, so we could change it to 65 or to 60. Change the blade speed to 60. Then you go on to automatic. And automatic with this, obviously you're able to fully open everything up. And what we want to focus on is the cutting. So before we do that, you can choose how your material comes out. So you can have symmetrical cutting, which allows you to have gussets, or you can have asymmetrical cutting, which doesn't allow you to have gussets. So you want to go into more cut, into the first program. So this is the initial shape. You can change the shape from whatever you want it to look like. Do simply just straight cutting if you want. We're going to focus on this one. So we'll change that length to 150. We'll change this width to 25.4. So yeah, so you put in your length and your desired length here. You put in your width, and it automatically knows that that length has to be 90mm. So that will automatically work out for you. The number of cuts, let's do, just change it to 10, and then you're all ready to go. Okay. Form the trim cut, you can turn that on and turn that off.